Happy fall, you guys. I hope that you all are blessed. Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin with Decor and More, your lifestyle channel. You guys, over this past weekend, I hope you all had fun with the Halloween holiday. As you know, I do not celebrate Halloween. Therefore, I did not make any videos. This weekend, I actually decided to go out to a floral warehouse where I wanted to pick some unique floral pieces for my floral arrangement. Remember, you guys, we're going to make the artificial displays or floral arrangements. And so I wanted to go out to find some odd things, some odd floral pieces, some unique pieces, some things that I think would make a beautiful floral arrangement. Now, I want to make sure that, I find something that is going to not only give a nice fall vibe, but also something that will last maybe year round. So that's why I'm picking the flowers and the arrangements that I am, and hopefully these will be something or pieces that I can use to incorporate in one big floral arrangement that would either set in my family room or in a bathroom or a hallway or maybe the foyer. So you guys come along with me. I just want to share this unique little weekend vibe with you guys and share this experience as I am out looking for floral arrangements. So if you are new to this channel, you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you a part of the family. I want to say hello to all of you guys. I miss all of you, all of my subbies. Thank you so much for checking on me and saying hello and comments in the comment section. I really love reading those. I really love interacting with you guys, and I'm so glad that you guys go ahead and leave comments and just, welcome me and ask questions. I do have a couple of suggestions that have been left of videos to record. I will be going live and doing a charcuterie board, a char board for one of the subbies for this upcoming holiday season. And this is something that you can incorporate at any time of the year. However, Thanksgiving is coming up, and this would be a great time for you guys to try a charcuterie board to, surprise your family and your friends and to welcome them into your home. So you guys, I'm going to play a little music and I'm going to take you on this journey as I search for the perfect floral arrangements to make my full floral arrangement for the holidays. Yeah, I want to see what the other one have. I want to see what they have. Those would be nice to put in the yard. Wonder how much these are. Good price. Like that one. So you guys, this is our second location. Right. I did find some things at the first location, but this is the second location of floral arrangements, all types of decor flowers and things like that. As you saw us coming in, there were some trees and wreaths and other things like that. But this is another warehouse that I like to come to get unique pieces and things like that. So come along as we explore this warehouse, and I'm gonna pick up a few things here, and then we're probably going to do this this weekend, you guys, and put one of these floral arrangements together. And then I'm also going to show you how I'm going to take one floral arrangements that I already have at the house that I'm going to transform it into something that I really like and something update. So if you have a floral arrangement in your home that you want to add something to it, or you just want to make it look different so that you can be able to use it in a different area of the room, you don't want to miss this video this weekend, you guys. What we're gonna do floral arrangements is all about using what you already have in your home and then adding to it. So I'll see you guys this weekend on that video, but for now, please enjoy this video. It's a quick little weekend outing and shopping experience that me and the Hubster did. And we're going to go ahead and find some items that we need to make the floral arrangements that I plan to video for you guys.
They're $11.25. It's not bad at all. So I take the gold one and the. But look at these right here.
What about these?
Which one? I like those, but what you think about them? You think I should keep it? Okay. Is that one got some small ones on? Cause this one do. Okay. Give me probably the one that got the small ones in there. Ooh, these are real. I think these, oh yeah, these are real. Yeah, that's the look I was going for. These are the ones that I was gonna make. These are the ones I was gonna make the artificial thing out of right here. See how that base is?
Mm-hmm.
But these are real. These are actual real flowers. So. Okay, so what we got? We got the green. What's this? Oh, this just like the browns, but got the moss on it. Cool. I could probably put moss on the ones if I want them. Did you keep them or you put them back up there?
I put them back. Same. Spreading everywhere.
Oh, these right here, you put them back?
Yeah.
Oh, why, man? You didn't think I wanted them?
I don't know.
All right, how are you? Why you put them back?
You got to make sure you're going to use them because they're sitting at the garage.
No, I'm going to use those. That's why I was getting them to go with what I'm buying now.
Okay.
And I like this right here, too.
Excuse me?
This is a nice base right here. To put down in the flower. To put on the side. To put on the side, like, look, the stick down in that clear form. Put that base down. That is nice. Well, I'm trying to figure out if I want to pay $21.50 for it. But that, look at that. That is nice to sit down in there. And then have the flowers popping up around it. Okay. So
you want that? And which one?
I did, but I wanted one that got the small ones too hanging out of it.
Which one did I have?
I want the furry one.
Which one was that?
It doesn't matter. Just grab one. It doesn't matter. Just grab me one. I'm wasting time. I gotta keep moving. Oh, so they got all the crystal clear, the floral stuff. Packs. Oh, the vases. This is a nice vase. Love this vase. That is definitely a nice one. I need to know how much. So you guys, you see we have all of the items that we're going to use for our display. I have some beautiful picks here. I have taken them out. Remember those? I have those as well. And I have this baby here that we're going to use. And then here are the mushroom, the brown. Remember those? The brown and the oatmeal or oat or beige, whatever color you want to call it. I have those too. And then I also have the 2 glass boxes. Well, the 2 boxes, which has the glass flower pots that we're going to use. Remember, I got the round one, the C1008 and the C1006. So that would be those 2. Yeah, so those are the items that we're going to use. And if you want to help me or come along with me while I make this flower pot, then go ahead and make sure that you get all of your items. I also did get the moss as well. And I got this just as a pot filler or a glass filler so that you won't be able to see the bottom of the stems through the glass vases. So I will be putting those kind of sort of at the bottom of the glass and around the glass just to be a filler so that you won't be able to see straight through and see the bottom. I know in some flower arrangements you are able to see the stems and everything, but I don't want you to be able to see my stems. So I felt that it would be better if I just, you know, got a couple of bags of moss to kind of fill the bottom so that it will look the way that I want them to look. Now, just to say this on these stems, you guys, these stems are really, really long. They're probably about, I want to say 4 feet, maybe taller than that. Let me see. Oh, these babies are pretty much about 5 feet tall. So these are really long stems that you can actually see how tall they are. They're about the same height as I am. I'm 5'2". So yeah, so these are probably about 5 feet, but these are really actually gorgeous to put in a flower pot or a vase if you had it to just actually put down in the vase and you know, to make a nice little arrangement with those. I may go back and get some at a later date and do that. You can even spray paint these, you guys, if you're really into white or gold or something like that, because these are the only 2 colors that I saw was the brown and the beige or the tan ones, which is what you see right there. Those were the only 2 colors I saw, but if you wanted to really spray paint these gold or something like that or white, you could really do that just to blend in with whatever your decor is. But you guys, I thought they were very odd. I like them, and I thought they would be wonderful to cut them and put them in a vase and make a floral arrangement with them. So I'm going to be doing an eclectic floral arrangements. Of course, it's going to be those. There's going to be a couple of those beige ones. I'm going to put this unique piece right here somewhere in the center of it. And then I'm going to add a couple of these mushrooms around there. And then I'm going to fill the vase with the clear coat vase filler, which makes it look like water. I'm going to fill it with that. But I'm also going to add this moss in the bottom of that glass vase just so that you can't see all of the you know, the stems and things like that, because I'm very particular about showing that. And so I have some other vases around the house that I could play along with, and that is my thing, you guys, which is why I buy a lot of vases or pots, because I really want to make floral arrangements with those things. And so yeah, that's what we're going to do this weekend. So I just wanted to share that with you guys today. It's going to actually dive into the whole flower thing, and we're going to do that here in the home base. So yeah, you guys get all the things you need, and I will see you on tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next. I have a lot other things going on, and I'm trying to get ready for my trip, which is coming up in another month. And so yeah, I want to crank some videos and get this Christmas thing. I did pull out a Christmas tree today, you guys. I'm not sure how many Christmas trees I'm going to put up this year. I'm thinking probably just one, but you know what? I'm going to make it very special for you guys because I know you guys love Christmas. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.